Ladies and gentlemen, we have the Fat Boy 114 to take up right now, and it's striking. Honestly, it is a very beautiful bike. I like it a lot. Just the look of it, I like it. So this has the 114 cubic inch engine, 100 horsepower, 118 foot-pounds of torque, weighing in at 699 pounds. Wet and ready to ride. Very low seat height. I'll throw a leg over. Let's see how she feels. Now she stands right up. No big deal there. The kickstand's right underneath that floorboard. Take a look here. Yeah. Now we've got our rev counter here. Gauge there. So pretty good. Pretty simple. Foot position. Forward. There goes the breakout again, which I did not like at all. The Fat Boy. Now, I can already tell you, the seat is a little stiff. However, I like this bike. I like the positioning on this bike. I feel very, very comfortable going down, you know, just starting off. I feel very comfortable on this motorcycle. My foot doesn't quite fit underneath the peg on this bike. I'm catching the toe. It's my boot. It's not the, you know, it's my boot. So that's a gripe that should, you know, it could be fixed. Probably needs some yeah, it's adjustable. So yeah, it's just not quite where my foot is. I mean, I've said it a few occasions. We're a size 12 shoe. I'm 5'9", 230 pounds, and I have a big foot, and sometimes it just doesn't quite fit. Floorboards on this one, not too bad. Again, just a little bit smaller than than I would expect. It's a very comfortable bike, though. I love the look of the front with the chrome cover over the headlight. It's got a beautiful line to it. I mean, this was one of the first bikes that I looked at, and I was, you know, just like, it's striking. It's a strikingly beautiful bike, and it pulls the way I would expect it to pull. It's very nice cruising down the road bike. It really is. Yeah, I cannot believe that that's like that. I cannot get my foot in there to shift. I'm like right at my toe, so I'm having to grab onto it with the end of my boot. I don't like that. They should fix that. It's adjustable right there, and I can't make the adjustment. Oh well. Oh well. Shift down into first. Ooh, engine brake. Commit. If I could get my freaking foot under that shifter. I'm sorry, I'm getting pissed off at it. It's, oh god, I'm just getting pissed off that I can't get my, alright, now I jammed it underneath there. Now I have to get it out of there. Oh, just so I can shift up. It's got got some good power. It really does. I mean, most of these engines that I've ridden today are the same. You know, 100 horsepower, 120 foot-pounds of torque, give or take. Just in a different kind of platform, you know. The Breakout that's in front of me right now, very similar. I personally just didn't like the Breakout. I didn't want to get it on. Oh, yep. Squeeze my foot out from underneath that. Well, he's not going to go down there and do the U-turn challenge. He's just going to go straight back. Well, he's doing a U-turn specifically. I'm just going to go do my standard challenge from the end here to try to see how tight I can make the U-turn. Because I've been doing it all day. And I'm going to keep doing it until I stop. Until I run out of Harley Davidson motorcycles to ride. Alright. Visor up. Get some air. Come up to this. Our obligatory challenge here. Right here. Turn that head. Oh, she's a big girl. Get them revs up, damn it. I could have gotten it tighter. But it's a beautiful bike. $21,000. I don't want to fuck around. I really don't. Oh. See? Yeah, they should fix that before they go do another demo on this bike. Jam my foot underneath there so I can shift again. Oh. It got a little, I don't know. That was weird. So the Fat Boy, yeah, it's a good bike. It's a good bike. Just notice Harley Davidson has a lot of bikes in the $21,000 category. Like it's their favorite category of price. Here, choose one of these. They all cost about the same. It's a good bike. It really is. It's a good bike. I mean, is it my number one bike from today? No. No, it's not. But it's not the worst one either. if that vocal tone tells you anything, there was a worse one out here. By a lot. God, wait. God. Yeah, I gotta tell them when they get back, fix this shifter, will you? Because the shifter is built for a person with tiny feet. And yeah, no, that's not gonna work. That is not gonna work. Clunk. Like most Harleys today, finding neutral is a nightmare. I don't know why. Just finding neutral has been just awful. Gentlemen, the Fat Boy. There's neutral. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Got the Fat Boy 114. Fine bike, really is. It's a fine bike. And yes, as I look at it, that shift peg is adjustable, and I will mention to them, please adjust it, because people with normal sized feet can't shift it. Other than that, it's been a blast today, and we got more to go. As always, everybody, stay safe and enjoy the ride.